Alright, hi ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just gonna do a quick recap on what's happening. I'm gonna start on the daily chart, which is this one right here on the 15 minutes chart. We opened, we went higher, and then we are in a position where we after the buy side, from there up until into that point, right? So we created buy side liquidity before we went to the downside. So let me quickly zoom it in for you guys. So let me go to the 1 hour first. You can see here we had an efficiency, but this efficiency was not fully filled, right? So I waited for market to go to the downside to offer us the Judas swing. So let me explain the trade idea. So the trade idea, let me just bring back my annotations. So the trade idea was for price to, we have sell side, we went and take our buy side there, and then we came down, we left the sell side liquidity pool just below here, and then after that narrative, we then went up again. We then take the buy side liquidity right here, right? So I was anticipating for price to take out sell side here prior for me to enter a buy. So this is the, where is that thing? So this is the London, the opening bell, right? Yeah, this is the opening bell. I'm watching that as it was a high, low, higher, high, market broke structure, and then this was happening pre-market, and then the consequent encroachment of that, we take it higher. The consequent encroachment of that, it's nothing else but our midpoint, right? The midpoint of the fair value gap of the breaker. We have high, low, higher, high, market went down, and then we trade down to take our sell side liquidity. That could have been a trade as well, right? That could have been something that you could have entered, but I have a policy that, or not even a policy, but one of my rules, I do not entertain the market pre-market. I need to wait for it to open, which is the opening bell. So we were trading in this area, price just opened, and then we went to the downside. I saw that we are targeting the sell side liquidity, and in 1 minute I see this candle coming down, and then I see this one. I'm like, you know what, I'm going in, I'm risking. Stop loss was here, and then it came back as it was coming to the downside. I thought, I'm gonna get stopped out here because this is a low risk, it's a high risk buy, right? And then we went higher, and then we had to inverse this, right? I was looking at this, if we can just close above that and then inverse it, which will take us long positions. We went higher, and then we continue going higher. The target was this buy side liquidity right there, and for that one as well as our previous high, as the market continued going higher. So I entered one position, and then that one position we came back, nicked them, and then we went high. As price was trading there, I went out my positions. So it only took 17 minutes for that trade to take place. I was completely wrong with the bias. As you can see, we are going lower. As you can see, we are trading lower, and I think the target, we're gonna go and take out this area right there. So that's for me today, and thank you, and see you next time.